If your ping is high all the time, then do this. First, open search bar and search for CMD. Now, first, enter ping 1.1.1.1. It will tell you about your ping on that DNS. Then do the same thing for 8.8.8.8. Now compare both results. After finding what's best for you, go to Control Panel here. Click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Wi-Fi display name here. Click on Properties. Choose Protocol 4 option and click on Properties again. If 1.1.1.1 had better ping for you, then type this. But if it was 8.8.8.8, then do this. Click on OK after doing that, and close everything else. For more high-speed and low-ping DNS servers, you can visit my blog page. The link is in description.